Last video, I have mentioned ETH will have a big move very soon. So right now, basically, the organization is accumulating the chips or they are selling the stock secretly. Today, I will give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. This channel is just for education shares. We don't recommend you to do any trade. So now we look at the ETH. Last time I have mentioned the last video, so if you haven't watched it, watch it. So I have mentioned the triangle pattern and the RSI. So today I will use other indicator to analyze this coin for you. So now look at my exclusive indicator called YM chips entry. So this is a weekly chart. So look at this area. The green bar basically means they have organization coming in to buy here. It is not necessary. This is the bottom. I repeat, this is not necessary. This is the bottom. It could happen. Sometimes it will like buy here, buy here, buy here. It will continue because sometimes, especially the big stock, let's say Apple or other big stock, and it was like buying for many times. So for example, I show you the daily chart. You can see here, here, here. So how to see when to start? We need to use other indicator, but this is a good indicator to tell us when do they buy it, okay? But we don't follow them to buy. We follow them to buy, but we don't need to buy because our resource is limited. Remember, we buy before the raise, okay? So I want to show you back the weekly chart. So we have chips entries here, okay? So here, basically they enter here, and then they finish at this candle, July 18th. What happened is I want you to see this indicator as well, YM chippers. But basically, the red bar represent the organization holding, if they are benefiting, if they are already having profit or not. The green one is the lock chips. What are they? Individuals. The yellow one is the smart money. So they move very fast, basically, the smart money. Okay. So now we look at the green chips. What is interesting, like we are inside this triangle. I want you to focus on these triangle things. So I want to analyze together with you. Look at this triangle and look at the green chips, the size of the green chips. Here, the peak. You see what happened is the peak is here, right? Around this. Is it reducing? Reducing slowly, you see? So the peak is here, this size, and they reduce it, okay? And they're doing slowly, okay? So it's a process. They will take time to reduce. Reduce, what does it mean, reduce? Basically, some individual get kicked out. They sell the stock, okay? They could sell because they profits or they hit the resistance. Because this kind of strategy, everybody know and people kick it out. But what people don't know is what the organization trying to do. So they are building this kind of pattern right now. So you can see, are they increasing? So the chips, yes, they entry at this point and they are kicking out the green chips right now. They're kicking out the individual chips, okay? And I know many people still waiting the low point, but if you have watched my last video about the triangle pattern, you need to pay really a close attention should you add some position, okay? And the next indicator is also my indicator called YM Big Buy. So what is that? So this is for short term, to tell us it's a strong buying market or strong selling market. But what is the difference is this is for big trade, for big volume. So when it is green bar, this is the buy power, the buy trade. The red bar is the sell trade. When it's above zero, this is strong market. When it's below zero, this is a weak market. So you can see right now here at this candle, I want you to see this one. When it's finished, the green bar, when we wait until finish, usually the best is we aim like for daily chart, but this is weekly chart. Daily chart, we wait this one finish, we enter, okay? So for the weekly chart is for reference. When they finish, what happened is, look at here. YM Big Buy, they just go from negative to positive, which is the goal to be a stronger market. Does it make sense to you? The goal to be a stronger market. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is the red bar here. They are going above this purple line. So from the weak market, so they're always below, from here to here, they're below this purple line. And from this candle, they're above. So is it strong? Yes. And the other thing I want to show you is like from this candle, from this day, basically, to here, we are all the way above zero. So it's a strong buying market. We are although they have some fluctuate, they're going down, they go up again, they go down. So, but still, we are still above zero. What happened is we have some change is here. They go below zero again. So it's battling. Can we go back up? So it's just like here. Okay. So this is for very short-term indicator. This is weekly chart. What I want to show you another thing is the size of this bar. Look at this size. So if you look at the peak, compared to here, so all the bars, all the peak here is much bigger than this. So still, we are still okay, okay? So it's a comparison. So you need to compare within this indicator, okay? So you will tell us many information inside. So as long as we stay inside the triangle, we are still in the game. And let's see which direction they go. The good thing is first, they have the chip entry. Second, the green bar is going less and less, okay? And what happened is the YM big bar basically here to here is above zero. So it's quite strong market. So this one need to be go above back to be above zero, okay? So hopefully they will do a better job here, okay? So this is a weekly chart. So if you want to subscribe my indicator, you can subscribe now. I'm doing a year promotion, or if you can subscribe by month also. You can unsubscribe anytime. So for the indicator, I don't know, you need to have a strategy for 3 things to check if you qualify to be a trader. Number one, you need to know how to read the trend. Number two, you need to know where is the fund, how they come in, are they holding more or not, okay? Number three is you need to know when to buy, when to sell. You should know that, okay? So if you only know how to analyze the pattern, let's say the channel, is it enough? No, I tell you it's not enough. You need more knowledge, more indicator to help you to do the trade. If you want to remember the stock market, 95% of people, they lost money. So why you are the one who winning money? You need to know more than other people, okay? So my indicator can help you, or you need to have your own strategy, okay? So my indicator is super easy. This one can tell you the funding trend, the trend of the fund. This one can tell you the fund enter. This one also is about the fund, the money. Remember, one stock or the coins go up, it's not because of the company is cheap. It's not because of the valuation is cheap. They can go cheaper, okay? This is the fact. How come some stock will go up? Because the fund come in, especially the big fund, okay? So you need to have an indicator. So I have another 2 indicator here called YM Club Long, YM Club Fast. The Club Long can tell us the trend, as I hear, the blue one, okay? When it's going upward, we hold it. When it's going downward, we don't hold anything, okay? So it's very easy. And this one can tell you also buy, selling points. And we combine with this YM Club Fast. So usually we can do it on daily chart. For weekly chart, you can use it also, but for very, very long-term investor, okay? So this is a very, very simple indicator. So join the subscription and I will email you more email about how to use the indicator stuff, okay? So it's completely free for you to learn how to use the indicator. Usually I do the opposite. You take the class first and then you use the indicator. But now I do opposite. So it's much cheaper than the normal way, okay? So I see you in the next video. So click like, subscribe, and share with a friend. See you next time. Bye.